Hey guys, it's Aisha Lock. Just wanted to come on here and do like a quick update on my hair. I am currently 7 months locked. Big deal for me because never in a million years would I have imagined I would have been locking my hair even. So to be at 7 months, it's pretty surreal for me. I've definitely experienced a lot of changes with, of course, my hair, just how people view me, and as well as how I view myself. They are definitely getting longer. Like, that's all for, I guess, because I'm not comfortable in my hair. Touching them, it's definitely grown a lot. If you're thinking about it, go ahead and do it, because it's gonna be time just gonna keep passing you by and you're like, yeah, to lock my hair. And when you see other people's locks just thriving, and I'm not saying you necessarily should get caught up in the hype of other people's locks even when you are locked, because sometimes it can get discouraging. I will say that, because it's good to have people that you're inspired by or idolize their hair, but at the same time, it's kind of like you gotta know who you are as well. They might be lock goals as far as length or the size of it, but you have to be your own lock goals at the same time. You have to teach yourself, I'm loving my hair regardless, even if it's not down my back. Even in this phase, most people call this phase the ugly stage. I'm not gonna lie, I used to think the same. Like, I would definitely be like, oh my gosh, why does my hair look like this? You know? And the reason why you say that and why my hair look like this and we freak out about it being the ugly stage, because guess what, you guys? Guess what your hair is doing? It is budding. Yeah, that's what you want it to do. You want it to bud so it could lock. Budding means your hair is locking, so it's a good thing. If your hair is looking all ugly, you got like lumps and bumps in it, that's what this look like. Hot mess. First, I'm like, oh my god, what is wrong with my locks? Why are they not looking like uniform, like how I see like other people's locks look? But I'm like, good. It's a mess, but it's a beautiful disaster, pretty much. But yeah, definitely have some budding process. Some of them are budding nicely. The back of my hair actually locked. First, what my advice to you guys would be, like, let's stop calling it the ugly stage. Maybe we can pick a new name, like the struggle stage. So like, that's the time you're thinking about, do you want to comb them out? Eventually, I was like, look, you're not gonna be in this phase forever, this stage phase forever, because it's gonna be over before you know it. And then you're gonna be like, I really should embrace that stage. People do view you differently. She locking her hair. Why are you locking your hair? Your hair is too good to be locked, you know. And there's gonna be some people that judge you, but you have to remember you're doing it for you. But I'm gonna talk about that subject in a whole nother video. I noticed at first, like, I was so caught up. I'm the type of person, my hair, when I was a loose natural, it always has to be done, or it was always, I was slicking it. Frizzy hair, oh no. That was different, and in the beginning, it was definitely a struggle for me. I was just used to doing my hair however I wanted to, and the frizz, oh my god, let it go away. I didn't know what to do. And even now, don't get me wrong, I love this journey, and I can't wait to, you know, it's fun because you're not gonna be in this stage forever. You just gotta know that. That's even with doing a big chop on your hair. Like at first, oh my god, my hair. But you grow to love it, and you're doing all these different styles to it, and it's fun, and it's cute. You realize just when you're enjoying it, it's over. So that's why I say, appreciate your hair even in the stage it's in now, because one day you're not going to be on this stage anymore. For people to call it the ugly stage, we got to learn how to embrace that stage. You can still call it the ugly stage, but I call it the struggle stage, because that's the time you're debating if you want to comb them out, if you want to cut your hair, do all this. But to me, I'm like, I came this far, I'm not coming here. That was a commitment in itself. To me, it's almost like, in a way, I feel like kind of a spiritual journey. I feel like something inside of my whole confidence. Not that I ever had like low self-esteem or something. It really empowers you. Go out, get my hair wet. I ain't worried about my hair getting wet in the rain and stuff, as opposed to a lot of other people that like, I can't get my hair wet. A whole nother level of confidence. You go out, you don't have to do too much to your hair. I have days I love makeup. I'm obsessed with makeup. To have locks. And half the time I don't even want to do my makeup. I guess I just love, it's teaching me to love like the natural beauty of things, even with myself. Yeah, I love the natural beauty of and the empowerment locks give you. Like I said, I'm definitely in love with my hair. I was in love with my hair at Toulouse Natural, don't get me wrong. But this is like a different type of love to me, in my opinion. Like, I love it. So, yeah. I feel like if you're thinking about locking your hair, do it, because it's gonna be like a couple years from now and you're like, damn, I wish I would have locked my hair sooner. And I mean, that's why I even thought, like, I would see some people like, damn, like, what if I would have committed to it and actually did it? Lock my hair. Another year or two, it'll be like, hey, I'm locked, fully and matured, and be able to put my hair in a bun. And I'm thinking about combining my locks. There's only a few I'm thinking about combining, and I'm gonna show you guys. See? Let me see if I can find them. So I definitely want to combine this one. This one I just feel like it's so freaking thick. I don't want my hair to break off. Some of them are getting thick on this one. So that's why I didn't really jump and go ahead and do it. Why the whole point of me making this channel was so that I could document my journey with you guys. So you guys can see all the lumps and bumps and just know how, you know, I felt every step of the way. I love my hair. I'm playing all the time. I will be giving you guys another vlog update. I don't know if I want to do vlog updates back to back, like 7 months, 8 months. Because to me, it's probably really not much of a difference. I can see if I'm in my first month and then I switch to my second month. But at the same time, I want to make sure I'm constantly documenting my journey. I'll definitely make an exception, be giving you guys a month-to-month update. So don't forget to subscribe.